What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a very easy way to get free gift cards on Amazon. Yes, you heard right, free gift cards on Amazon. So just sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, guys, so my method for getting free gift cards on Amazon is through an app that some of you may already know about. It's an app that's up and coming, and I've been doing it for about 2 years now, but it's still, for some reason, not really on the radar. You guessed it, this app is called Jobspotter. So, if you're familiar with this, you know that it is a great way to get any type of gift card that you want off of Amazon.com. So, for all you newbies, let's explain this. Jobspotter is an app that you can use to upload hiring signs and get paid for it. Simple as that. Jobspotter has partnered with Indeed.com and created this brilliant app where you can upload hiring signs and a picture of the company name and get paid for it. This potentially helps out people who are in the job market and are actively looking for jobs. And so we would upload these pictures to the Jobspotter app, and they would send them to Indeed.com, and it's a win-win situation for all of us. They get a job, and we, as the job spotters, get paid for it. Not really cash money, but you do get paid in gift cards. You get paid in Amazon points, which you can use on Amazon.com. So I'm going to go ahead and put a brief description in this next clip, and I'm going to show you guys how exactly Jobspotter works.
So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and briefly walk you through the app and what it does. So as you can see, I've taken different pictures of different companies and their hiring signs. And yes, the points do vary based on picture quality, how rare the company is. And as you can see, some of the pictures have a little symbol next to them, kind of like a ribbon. I'll go over that later. But you can see, guys, I have points going from 5 points all the way up to 207. And I have some rejected ones as well. That is because I was taking pictures while inside of my vehicle, and they do not like that. So make sure you go up to the business and you take the picture. Try not to get people in the frame because they do not accept those as well. Also, so those little ribbons that you see, that is for all of the hiring signs that I've come across. And I've been one of the first people to spot that hiring sign and to upload it to the app. That's what that means. So as you can see, I have 30 total of those, and you tend to get more points for those because it is a rare business, or it's like a mom and pop shop that Indeed has never posted before. So they tend to give you more points. The points usually vary from 150 and below, but sometimes they give you more for a company that is super rare and has never been posted before. Also, in this view on the map, you can see where Jobspotter, where people have taken pictures of different hiring signs and uploaded them to Jobspotter. They keep, I guess, the location on the app so it can show you where all the job spotters are at and just different companies that they already have in the system. Let's see, this is the settings, and you can go to the points guide. As I said before, the points vary. Usually you can only get a max of 150, which equals out to about $1.50 in cash. And as you can see, this GNC sign got 5 points. That's because it is a generic hiring sign, and the company is well known, whereas you see the mom and pop shop, you get a little bit more for that. So guys, yeah, just go ahead and download the app, and you can really just go through and see for yourself that it is legit, and it's a really great way to earn some extra cash on the side. Even though you can only use it on Amazon, it does help when you're on a tight budget. And guys, just go ahead and go through it and learn more about it. Now, this is my wallet. As you can see, I only have about $5 in my account at the moment, but if I scroll down and I show you, these are all the times that I've redeemed my points and I've cashed out. So you see that I have $40, $13, $50 here, $25 there. I've cashed out so many times by using this app. And after you redeem your points, they send you a promo code and you can use that on Amazon and buy anything you want on there. So I usually just go for the $25 gift cards. But if you know you need something like some baby diapers, you know, Amazon sells that, or maybe a phone case, they sell that as well. So you don't have to wait until $25 to cash out. That's just my personal preference.
Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that clip and I hope you take advantage of this opportunity. Jobspotter to me personally is one of the best apps out in this day and age that allows you to get gift cards for free. Like, it's as simple as that. You take a picture of a hiring sign, you upload it to the app, and you get money for it. I think that's an awesome opportunity, especially for people who may be on a budget, you know, really can't afford to go out to eat at the moment, but you want to take your significant other out on a date. You can use Jobspotter to do so. Get a couple hiring signs and then, you know, get a gift card and take your loved one to Red Lobster or Cheesecake Factory. You can get just about any gift card that Amazon has to offer. I think the only exclusion is Visa gift cards or like American Express cards. They don't allow you to get those. But anything else, shoes, clothes, food, you name it, you can get that gift card as long as it's on Amazon.com. So I really just encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity. I can't tell you how many free sneakers I've gotten, how many restaurants I've been to. I think me and my best friend, we just went to Bonefish Grill last month for totally free. So I just want to encourage you guys. I'm excited to, you know, get more free stuff, and I hope you are too. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.